Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. In today's video, what I have for you is yam ball. This is a popular snack that can be eaten anytime, any day. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First thing first, I've prepped all my recipes. I do not want to take much of your time. Oh yes, I have another method of yam ball on my channel. Please do check it out in my description box below. Meanwhile, these are the ingredients for today's yam ball. I got peeled yam, minced onion, Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. I also got evaporated milk, deboned and flaked mackerel fish, butter, egg, breadcrumbs, and vegetable oil for deep frying. For the flaked mackerel fish, you can use any protein of your choice. You can as well decide not to use any protein. There's no problem about that. Yeah. Next is to boil the yam until it is very soft, or may I say boil the yam truly until cooked. And to the yam, I'll be adding a little salt when I'm done adding it. Okay. Add some sauce and cover to cook until it is very soft. Next is to prep the sauce for the yam ball, and I will be placing my pan on the heat, and to it I will add just 1 tablespoon of butter, and I will allow it to melt up. Please, you can skip doing the sauce like this and add everything directly to the yam ball, or even add it when you are boiling the yam. There is no problem about that. Okay, choice of cooking is different. Once the butter is melted, I will add my minced garlic. Garlic is always my #1 recipe for yam ball. It tastes so good, and man, I don't even know how to explain it better for you to understand. Once this is well fried for like 2 minutes, I will add the minced onion and stir fry for more 2 minutes, or may I say until the onion is translucent. Now it's time to add the minced pepper, and I will also stir to combine. You can still add this directly, there is no problem about that, but this is my choice and it tastes so good. Okay, I will add just a pinch of salt. You know, I added salt in the yam, so I don't have to add much. After which I will add my flaked mackerel fish and stir to combine, and here we go. And this is as good as ready. We'll set it aside and allow it to cool down. Yeah, this is about 15 minutes now. The yam is well cooked. Yeah, how you will know that the yam is well cooked is once you put your fork inside the yam, it will just break everything immediately, and it will be very easy for you to mash it without your manpower or woman power, which one? So remove it from the heat now and drain the remaining water, okay, and allow it to cool down a bit before mashing it. Alright, if you want to know why I want to allow it to cool down a bit before mashing it, do let me know at the comment section so that we discuss a bit as one-on-one, you know, as body, okay. I will give you the reason why I will allow it to cool down a bit before mashing it. Let's go there. Now the yam is very cool, or may I say warm, to mash. I'll be using my potato masher to mash it. You can use spatula or fork, anyone that goes easily for you. You can use it, okay. I will mash it till my desired smoothness, but notice that it shouldn't be completely smooth. Yeah, there should be a bit lumps in it, okay. Back then in Nigeria, this is one snack my mother will give me anytime, any day, and I will be very happy without crying. So the texture should be a bit lumpy. Let's go there, and this require a big manpower or will I say woman power. Now I am very okay with this texture. Okay, you can decide to go further, but I am very much okay with this. Next is to add a little milk. I'll be adding the milk little by little. All right, please don't add it too much so that the yam ball will not come out mushy, okay, or soggy. I don't really know how to explain it so that you understand it better. In as much as we want it creamy, we don't also want it mushy or soggy. Okay, so adding each recipe bit by bit is a goal. I'll add more. So the yam is well mixed, the milk is well mixed. Next is to add my stuff, which is the butter, pepper, minced pepper, onion, garlic, and I use butter to stir fry it to make the yam ball more creamy. Yeah, and I will stir it in until it is well combined. Yes, this is how it should look, and everything is so beautiful already and well mixed. Okay, it is so creamy, and doing it like this, it will be very easy to mold without sticking and without being mushy after frying. Yeah, next is to mold it. Okay, the measurement of all the recipes I use will be at the description box. Okay, before we start rolling the yam balls, let's first preheat our vegetable oil, and we are going for deep frying so that it will be ready. Once we finish rolling the yam ball, we'll start throwing it immediately without wasting anything. This is biscuit crumbs. I'm out of breadcrumbs and I have to use my hand to prepare this biscuit crumb. If you are out of breadcrumbs, you can use any biscuit of your choice to prepare the biscuit crumbs. They all go, it's almost the same thing. Biscuit crumbs is even more better than breadcrumbs, okay? And I use digestive biscuit. You can use any biscuit of your choice. There is no problem about that. This is egg, it's 2 eggs. I'll whip both of them together, both the egg white and egg yellow. All right, and they are very good to go. I'll be using them to coat the yam ball. You can as well use breadcrumb for the coating or flour, or you can also do it like this, and I've tested both of them and they all come out very good. Yeah, let's get started. Wow, this looks good already. It's like I want to test some. Wow, this is so tasty. For the molding or rolling, it is on individual balls. Yes, here you can decide to roll it. Like here in Ghana, they roll it, but we in Nigeria we like molding it. But for me today, I will mold it little. I don't want a big ball. All right, I will mold it to my desired taste. All right, and here we go. There's supposed to be a measurement, but today I be like say no time for that. My hands are very clean. Please be careful, because any little thing on your hand may rule everything you are doing. Yeah, can you see how beautiful that looks already? This is so good. This is medium ball, not big, not small. Yeah, the next thing is to put it inside the egg. You might decide to use your hands. After rolling it all through the egg, you then take it to the biscuit crumbs and use the left hand to roll it again. Richard's family, and this is as good as ready, and it's so beautiful. I will set it aside. Yeah, now we'll go for the second ball. Throw it to the egg as usual. Roll it to make sure that all the body touches the egg to be able to accept the biscuit crumbs, and then take it to the biscuit crumb and use the left hand to roll it over. And this is how I will keep doing it, Virtuous family, until I'm done. And when I'm done, sure, you know me, I will get back to you. And these are the yam balls after molding them. Okay, can you see how beautiful that looks? Yeah, it is so beautiful and I like it. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up and I'll be so glad about that. Now the oil is preheated enough and I'll throw in some onion for more flavor. You can decide to skip this, there is no problem about that, alright? I'll carefully throw in the yam ball. I wouldn't like to overcrowd the pan. I think 5 is okay for now. And I will be frying with a medium heat. Don't fry with low or high heat or else you will regret it later. And I will fry this until it is beautifully golden brown, okay? And this is good to go. I'm okay with this. I will remove this and repeat the process. Can you see how beautiful that looks? And this is the second batch, and I will also fry it until it is golden brown. Yam ball is a beautiful snack that you can eat any day, anytime. For me, I like it so much. Try this recipe and you'll be very happy you did. And our second batch of frying is also ready, and I will remove it from the heat as well and set aside. Precious family, we are done and this is the outcome. And it's so beautiful and tasty. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do enjoy the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Share the video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching, and we will sure see you in our next one. Bye bye.